Welcome back to Ravenport. And I have not driven my truck, not even since the first episode. I don't even remember touching it. So probably would make do to sell it, but I don't know. Because I'm one of those, if you get rid of it, you're going to wind up finding a use for it. Yeah, we got 500 chickens in this little area here. Amazing, isn't it? 659 pieces. Okay. Mm, our field still ain't ready yet. And I believe we are still in the same in-game day as the last episode. Nope, grass is not done yet. Do we have any other hilltops other than... Probably not. Okay. Well, we're gonna go sleep and see how things look in the morning. What did I say that field was? Canola? It's canola. Cool. I also disabled a lot of mods that I don't really use anymore. And I wish at some point that I'd be able to bring back that loft storage pipe that I had sitting here. I wish I could bring that back. I probably will, to see if anything, you know, I'm sure it worked because I never used it, but I'm sure it worked. But if that wasn't the conflict of anything when I thought it was when it took it out, I'll bring it back. Um, I haven't used those down there yet either. I got like 3 or 4 of them. 3 of them. Ooh, okay. Okay. Let's take these 2 full egg pallets over here. And there's no lettuce. And the thing still has water. The vegetation wouldn't be green. So what's the holdup? That's probably a good reason. Um, hmm. Let me see. Let's zoom out for a quick second. Growth. Ooh. Canola is going to be the first done. You know, 23 and 26 are going to be done at the same time. Uh, I think we just have grass bales right there. Um, Let me check the closed production here. Ooh, just about. Okay, just about. Food's still good. That's good to hear. And now that I've run just pretty much over this entire yard, let's do yeah, I think we got wheat, so I'm was thinking they're going to be done at the same time. So, oh, honey. That would not be a bad idea to do. You know that. Where can we... Let's go out here. Let's get my favorite one. The biggest one. Yeah, that's my favorite one. Actually, you know what? Okay, yeah. Let's put this one here. Okay. And a little closer, please. There we go. That hopes to look even. Now you know. Yeah, we can do that. And this, can we... Are you going to give me a problem if I set you over here? Huh? I don't know. I want to be different. I want to put that there. Alright, my little buzzards. My little buzzers. Buzz away. Buzz away. Do your thing. Do your thing. And so that way, because since I'm picking up eggs and lettuce, put it here, I can keep everything in one generalized location. Alright, I'm just not exactly sure what else I want to venture in at the moment. Let's see. Oh, this is it. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Red beet. And I still don't know if this is a multi-fruit silo or not. And farm silo. Don't think so. If it is, cool. Well, there's also a trick that a lot of you who played FS19, you know that one starting farm that starting farm that had the silo similar to this, and no one can put potatoes in it. So what did we do? Once someone figured it out, and so everyone started doing it. You put at least two, or at least that's what I did. But you put at least two silo extensions down, and you were able to put potatoes in it after that. I don't know, because I put the big silo extensions down, so maybe if I get one, it's going to have to go here, but it's really going to cramp this drive and this drive here. And because it's going to be near this one, I don't think it's going to work if we place the silos anywhere else. Um, okay, so we got wheat and we got canola in both. Okay. But yeah, I mean, 26 would be a good sized field to be doing the veggies in. Oh, that's for the big equipment. Do I not have? Oh, okay. Well, guess what I don't have? A veggie planter. Hmm. Now, since I can't rightly actually go to the store and actually buy something, I don't know if it's gonna even let me buy a veggie planter. Huh. Well, anyway, because I really don't want to do potatoes, and we don't have the equipment for the veggies either. So at the present moment in time, it doesn't really matter if this is multi-fruit or not. Hmm. Anyways, I'm gonna go sleep again because we have nothing ready. I don't think this is ready to even cut yet. This can actually, I'm gonna let this go another day. Great, I hear rain. And I see rain. Oh, whoops. I think I just closed my door. 11 o'clock. Hmm. Well, let me pass time to 11 o'clock and I'll be right back. Well, we are back, and It's still kind of raining, but we got to give it a few extra minutes. And I'm sure by now that clothes pallet, two of them. Oh, that's right, we slept. So let's get these up to the yeah, up to the production. Up here to the storage. Yay, it stopped raining. All right. Yeah, we finally got another lettuce pallet. Cool. So we got 2,000 liters of Ooh, we got some honey and some more eggs. We're going to be busy doing some shifting. So let's drop that off, and nothing else yet. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Get this over here. Okay, half pallet. What in blazes? Did I tell you to drop that? Do I have to walk 1 mile an hour so you don't fall out of my hands? Now, I know there's another way I could get to the store. Um, Besides pressing the button for the store on the controller here. I know I can go right direct to the icon, click the left toggle, and it'll wind up doing the same thing. And I could also probably get I can also get to the store by doing the right control P, but I have not tried that yet to see if the game will shut up, my computer will shut off on me or not. Can we at least mow this? Okay, cool. This is where this is good. This is good. But before we get too crazy with the mowers, ooh, we got some more wool to move too. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna have to. What is? Where am I? Where am I going? Where am I going? No. Ah, here we go. looks just about good with the driveway. Cool, now we can have some place to put our bales. And let's go. Do I not have the correct trailer to be doing that with? I don't think I have the correct trailer for that. Right control P. Um, okay, did I pass that other one up already? No. Where is it at? Here we go. Let's sell that one. Okay. Let's buy. That looks good. Is this? It does. It's for Bales, but it doesn't say. That one does. Just to have it look different. So let's get that. Hey, guess what? My computer didn't shut off. But let's go collect the trailer, get back to the grass field, and I'm gonna collect the mowers, and I'll see you guys back when I'm ready to get mowing started. And yes, the computer shut off on me again. But the only clip it got was the opening "Hey, how you doing?" clip. It didn't get the clip I did last time. So this is still ready to be cut. Everything is still up in the shed there waiting to be taken out. And yep. Okay. Making sure I got it because I moved all of these, the clothes, the honey, the eggs, the lettuce, moved all that over, saving my game as I went, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem at the moment. As far as the contracts go, I have no idea because I spent money. Yep, apparently got to redo this. Unload bales, unload here. Alright. Now I did go to the store to get my trailer. This will be the third time I'm going after it. So I don't know why I didn't get the second clip I did. I don't know if I didn't hit the record button properly. I thought I hit it. But anyhow, we're going back to the store. Third time. And I'm going to see how much I get for this trailer this time. Oh, 12,424. Because last time I didn't look and it came up, so I read it off. Yeah. You know, I just want to get my trailer. And go home. And I'm pretty sure y'all can hear that. We have the complex I live in has a lawn care company come in, mow the yard. Yeah, there's a strimmer coming through. Let's do the right control P. And I need the bale loaders. I want that one. Bales auto load. Cool. I need to remember my weight is out here. Oh, blast. I was going to have this be a different setup with the high railings on it. But, oh well. And you know what? I just totally overshot my drive I wanted because I was thinking about going back up to the cow and sheep pen. But I know I gotta be over here to mow the lawn. And hopefully this time I can actually mow the lawn and not have my computer turn off on me. turn on, lower turn on. And I'm going to throw this on a time lapse, and I'll see you when I got the bales up back over to the sheep.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Let's get over here. Let's get these bales in here. Maybe that was my problem last time, how I couldn't do it off the black trailers, because I didn't have the left trigger, not trigger, but the L1 and the right toggle switch working in conjunction. I just had the right toggle switch working. But now, whoops, let's turn this around and let's let's get that back into there. Let's unfold this, trying to turn around at the same time. We'll load up the wool, take that over to the spinnery. There's one. There's two. We'll do that. We'll do that. Over to the spinnery. Right. Well, we're not going to go out the back. We're going to go around this way. And then head back to the farm. Now, I will apologize because, number one, the second clip didn't get saved apparently. Did I miss my turn? Yes, I did. I forgot how long I wasn't keeping track of how long I was playing on the first one. Couldn't tell you how long I've been sitting here on this clip. So we get back up over here. I am going to okay, we'll park it here.
Yeah, I know. When I came home last night, there was that left in 4 slices, and I had 2 peanut butter sandwiches. Poured all the part through.
And I am recording.
Sorry.
I had 4 slices. And I don't know what's so wrong about people coming down and having some fucking bread. Anyways, yes. Probably in the future we'll get cows, but not right now. We have 13 bales of grass. And we have a bunch of sheep. So, anyway. I am going to leave it here. You guys have a good day, night, or evening whenever you happen to be watching this. You take care of yourselves. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.